so it happened. What is going on in the market, folks? We have banks failing. We have FOMC, Mr. Powell and team. They're not backing off. They are going to stay the course. And that's what he said, right? Stay the course. So if they're staying the course, what does that look like, folks? Oh, well, that's easy, right? Just a little bit of rain, maybe a storm. I don't think so. This is probably more what the course looks like for him, but the FOMC is trying to weather the waves. So let's see what happens today. So let's start with SPY. SPY was on the move up, guys. And sure enough, FOMC came in. And of course we dipped down, then we came up and we bounced and try to come back up. But you guys remember, we always talk about this. If you are a trader, okay, that 50% retracement or 50% back up, it started up here and look at that rejection line right at the 50%. That tells you we are going down, guys. That is classic pullback on the way down, and sure enough it went down. Now what's going to happen tomorrow? Well, that's an easy answer for me. Let's take a look at SPX, and this is the chart I put together for the team today on the bull ring. Okay, and we have a few notes here for you. So this green line here represents when FOMC, okay, this was February 1st, the week of February 1st when they had their first meeting. And of course, we had the same thing happen, right? We spiked up, then we went back down. But look at what's been happening since then, okay? SPX has been in a channel, okay, headed down. And then today we had these big candles here, okay? Same thing like SPY, same thing like everything else. We sold off, okay? We have support here, this green line. So tomorrow, let's take a look at this. I'd say about 39.15 is going to be support. So if you guys are shorting, be careful, okay? If we go under that, okay, you got my free money zone here. Don't forget your stop loss, guys. We're going down. We're going to see a nice dip in SPX. Okay, this type of news is what gets SPX down about 100 points. So be ready if you guys know how to short. If you don't, okay, click on the link below. I've got some free videos for you guys if you want to learn how to do it. If you want to learn how to trade, I've got other links in there, guys. For less than $1 a day, guys, you can join us and you can make money the way we did today. All right. So tomorrow, that is what's going to happen. Now, can this change? Let's take a look, closer look here. I'm going to open this up a little bit. Can this change for us? Well, absolutely. Because we can open up and they can fill this gap and bring it back up. But remember, this whole line here, okay, this channel has been resistance all the way down. So what got verified today. All right, so this area, it's got a lot of sellers, guys. So if we see a run back up, expect to see more sellers coming in there. I don't think they're going to let this go up any higher than that, but we don't know. We always get news and the news always beats the charts, right? But this is what I think is going on with SPX, guys. Jerome Powell spoke today. All right, so let's talk Tesla, guys. Tesla. I like to play the 30-minute chart, and you can see in here I've got indicators. This is how I enter trades, okay? This is where I enter Tesla. This indicator, you see the buy sell, then you see green dots, and then you see some nice arrows in here. See that arrow? That tells me when we're moving up with my two favorite moving averages. This is an indicator I created and I code it to help me with entries, okay? And this is going to be on sale if you guys are interested. 30-day money back guarantee, okay? Tells you when to get in and out. So I'm going to show you what I did with Tesla, guys. So my indicator here, I got an alert. There was a buy signal. Now, if you understand stocks and you've taken some courses, you know what I'm about to point out right in here. If you haven't, I've got some courses, guys. They are on sale right now, less than $100. Okay. So Tesla went up, found resistance, came back down. Okay. And then bounced from here. That is a pullback, but it was a higher low. See this previous low here? Okay, this was a higher low. That tells me we're on our way up, and sure enough, we kept going. I held my position until I saw that the support line was broken. Once that line is broken, this is right around 195, guys. Look at that number over here. Okay, it's where it matches up around 195, and that's where I sold. All right, and here's where you can see my winnings from Tesla, guys. Okay, not a bad day. Okay, not a bad day. So if you're playing the stock market, you need indicators, guys. You need to know when to get in, when to get out. Okay, I've got a band as well that I put together that helps you. Check this out. Let's say you don't want to use that indicator. You just want to use the band. Okay, look at the band. If I just play off the band, and when we go above the band, I get in, I still get this move. Okay, because we bounced off the band, so that shows me there's support there, guys. Okay, this band can be adjusted and set to your preference if you guys want to play with the band. If you want to make it simple and just say, hey, I get in. Okay, look at this. I mean, it doesn't get easier than this, guys. Okay, let's say you enter the stock here. The band is telling you is getting greener and greener, which is bullish. Okay, no reason to jump out of the trade there. Okay, you stay in the trade. You bounce off the band here and you keep going. This is where you exit, right in here, guys. Okay, and then you wait for another entry. Okay, now you see we bounce around a little bit here, but this here is rejection. Okay, so we came down, then we rejected. If you just use the band, you're going to be profitable on the 30-minute. If you guys are trying to play off the 5-minute, good luck. You got to have fast hands. You're trading against machines, guys. So this is what I did with Tesla. If you guys want to learn more, click that link, guys. Okay, everything's on sale. I can set up a one-on-one and I'll help you guys, and you will see more success. Okay, this has a 30-day money-back guarantee. Can't go wrong, guys, for less than $1 a day. All right, here's another example, guys. We have Google. Google has been very bullish, and I have it on the 1 hour. Let's switch over to the 30-minute so I can show you guys a little bit of what to do here. So this chart is very tough to play, right? It's Google. What do I do? How do I get in? When is a good time? Do you just follow green candles? No. Let me turn on my indicator so you can see a difference. Okay, see that? Now, if I just want to play off the band, guys, okay, look at that. Okay, the band, if it goes under, you jump in. Then you have a sell signal if you want to use the indicator. Okay, okay, you had rejection here, so you don't use that. You stay in the trade. Then you actually crossed here, and you can get in. Okay, then you had another cross right in there. You jump into the trade. Okay, if you're an options player, right? This is a put. This is the call. This is where I enter a put. Okay, here's where I enter another call. And look at that bull run, guys. Look at that bull run. Watch this band, how it gets thicker and it gets greener for you as you go up, guys. Okay, now look at what we have up here. What did my indicator tell you? It gave you this early, guys. Look at that. Then we also had an arrow telling you we're going down. We are going down. And it told you 30 minutes before it happened. 30 minutes before it happened, guys. Okay. This indicator works. If you guys want to learn it, if you want to use it, hit me up, guys. Click on the link below. So Google is on the way down. Now it was kind of due for a pullback. Let's see what happens. Another one I want to check out is Microsoft. Microsoft was on a nice bull run here. Okay. And then now it looks like potentially it might be reversing, and what's helping it is news. So let's just take a look at the support it had here. Okay, and look at that. Okay, so it had nice support here. First, the support was here, broke down, came down. Okay, and then now the support became lower. So now this was a support, and Microsoft fell, guys. Okay, so what's next for the stock? I want to show you a couple things. So if you guys don't want to use indicators, use lines, guys. Okay, check this out. Okay, this tells you there is nice rejection right in there. I'm going to highlight this for you. Okay, nice rejection on Microsoft. All right, and once we fell here, okay, Microsoft found some support right in there. Okay, so will Microsoft bounce up and down on this little descending wedge that's starting to develop potentially? Okay, now what do? Can this be a pennant? Maybe. Let's take a look at what my indicators say. My indicator says this is a sell, and you see that it started dumping. Okay, now you had a buy signal here, and it matches up with this support line. So this was a nice run up as well on the 30-minute, guys. So this means that Tuesday, March 21st, at 2 p.m., you got the signal, and then you got the signal to get out. Okay, today, okay, when all this stuff started happening, there was a nice run up. Let's see how much money we could have made here. This was about a 4% gain, $10.5. If you're an options player, you know that's gold. Okay, that is gold, guys. All right, so this indicator works in every time frame, guys. So if you wanted to use this on the 4-hour, okay, I recommend the higher you go in time frames, okay, the better entries you get. And I say better because you don't have to worry about it so much. Okay, same thing if you're using the band. Okay, now if I went on the daily, you can see Microsoft, right? We had really nice entry here. Okay, we had a buy signal here. Then we had another sell there. So you had 4 great entries, guys, where you don't have to worry about is it going up, is it going down, because you're going to trust your indicator. And I'm going to show you. So let's say you jump into Microsoft here and you wait for the bottom. If you don't know what the bottom is, I will show you guys if you sign up for my courses. $35 move there. Okay, if I got into a buy signal here and then I let it right up to the top, $41. So now we're talking $72 approximately. Then I got into my sell signal here. When it came on, I got a bottom. It's a $16 move. Okay, now we're up to about $87, guys. Then you got into a buy signal here, and you got out of the top right around here, $24. Maybe you did it the next day. That's $19. So you're looking at another $20. So $107, $106 in options trading, guys. And you didn't have to do anything but just check your stock every day and see what candles you have. Are we at the bottom? Okay. And there's plenty of indicators out there if you guys want to find out what the bottom is on your stock. Okay, we can take a look at this here. You have CM Williams that gives you bottoms. You have RSI, guys. I mean, there's a lot of things. I teach it in the courses. So if you guys are interested, hit me up, click that link. Okay, so I hope this helps you guys. There's going to be some waves in the next few days. I think the market's headed down. Okay, bad news, doesn't matter, it's just detour, but the market was going to reverse anyway. So if you guys need some more help, like I said, click on the link in the comments, guys. And please don't forget, if you guys are getting value from this channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that bell so you get alerted next time I'm online. Okay, and on the weekends, guys, I'm going to be popping on and doing some live free training on the weekend, so hit that bell button so you get notified. Okay, till the next video, guys, I'm wishing you green days.